Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use deep AI chatbot and art creator application. So you need to install it first and then tap on the open button, then you can get here the interface like this. So it's deep AI powered by next generation of AI technology. বন্ধুরা আজকের ইনকাম সাইট So open, then you need to choose language. I'm just going to choose English and tap on the done. And it's really simple. You need to ask, you can say here AI model like art generator, DPI, LLMA, gamer 2, and you have 115 points left. So I'm just going to type something. 10 credit, you will lose 10 credit per, but I'm just going to choose art generator. That's you need to choose here, and you need to be credit. You can see here you need to spend best credit to get the things. So I'm just going to choose maybe origami, this one, or you can give here the prompt. Okay, like here and angel on the horse, then you have to select which one you're going to then tap here the generate. And you have to wait. So now it's generating image, but if you use this app as a free user, then you have to watch ad or video ad, and you need to wait to get the output. So basically this way you can generate image to video or text to video. You have only 115 credit.